What is up guys, I am Shakil from TechTuber. Today in this video I am going to show you guys to enable game mode in Windows 10.
Hello girls and boys, ready? Let's begin.
If you have the Windows 10 Creators Update, you can skip this step. If you don't have the Windows 10 Creators Update, you will have to go to this link. I'll leave this in the description down below. From the Microsoft website, you can download the update and install it. After you are done with that, we can begin. Click on Start from the corner and click on Settings, and the settings will pop up. Here you all can see the gaming option. Click on it and you will see many options here: game bar, captures, broadcasting, game mode, Xbox networking. You will have to click on game mode and the game mode settings will come up. If it is off, you can toggle it on. That's how you enable game mode in Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like this video and check out my other videos too. If you have any questions, we can discuss in the comment section down below.